And would you be happy if there would be a planet of only men? You will have to answer.
Of course not. There must be both of the gender because, if there is only one gender, so we will not get the things easily, and we don't know the comparison, and the things will not go smoothly. So, it's important. Like, if life will be, if your life is okay and you are not getting any kind of movement, or you can say the life chapters, the sadness, the things. So you will not get any kind of things and any kind of changement, or you can say what we call the
Abandonment.
no, like we learn so many things by our happened things which happened, right? So we will not quite get the things easily. Thanks.
First of all, the hypothetical situation which you gave, like, would you be happy if there's a particular
be a
planet
planet
of
of
only men? So that planet will not exist for so long because there will be no reproduction, and because there are no women. And I don't think that without a woman, a house is a home. It's only a house, it's not a home. So I would not be too much happy if there are no women.
Second question I would like to ask Charanjit. So, what will you prefer, marry for love or marry for stability?
Stability in home.
Yeah.
I believe that if I'm married for love, so automatically I will get stability in my home because the person to whom I marry, so we will have a same level of mentality and same level of ideology. So just because of that, there will be less chaos and noise in the home, and there will be peace totality in house. So I believe marry for love is better option.
Okay, let's go.
I have a question for Krish. Okay, if you get a chance to live your life like a mafia and like don't, and second would be like normal person as we live. So which life would you like to prefer?
I will prefer normal life because there are too much tension. It looks good in only movies and all, but in a reality it is very bad. But I will prefer a normal life. It is good when we are achieving, we are growing ourselves for achieving our goal. So it is good, and I don't think the life of a mafia is good. When you ask to someone when you ask someone who had suffered a lots of problem with that, so he will answer you कि it is not a good line, and I will only suggest that कि we should go for a normal person life, life.
So I have a question for Tapasya. If you are happy, so what would you like to do and with whom? Happy. Yeah. So, means
With whom what?
with your family,
What?
with your friends.
Also complete the sentence.
Anyone came to that, no?
No, complete your sentence. The
What should I
question
do?
is not complete. What?
Okay.
What are you talking
If
about?
you are happy, is extremely happy, what would you like to do first? And with whom? Your family, your friend, and your.
Okay, so I have understood. If I am extremely happy, and the next step, what I will just do. If I am happy by some incident, by some good news, definitely I will just go to my mother and then I will tell that what happened with me. That's enough. Nothing I will do with anyone.
So next question I have for Naman. As I saw a video of yours today, I felt so good that in the park there was no one and there was fog and pollution as well, and you was only there doing exercise. So who motivates you? I felt very good. That time.
First of all, no one motivates.
What
me.
motivates
I
you,
motivate
yeah?
by dint of myself.
How?
How? Because when I see like I don't want to wake up in the morning. So of course I will wake up because of I started to thinking that if I not wake up, I started to think that if I not wake up, so I will not be able to do anything. So I wake up and do it.
Next. Would like to ask yes, Hayat.
Okay, so I have a question for Om. So if you have chance to become any cartoon character, so which character would you choose according to your behavior?
I would choose Ninja Tori because as you all know that Ninja Tori is very good and as well as very powerful. That I am also very powerful and I would become Ninja Tori by which I and as well as I would be also like very good and very active.
Okay, next. Yes, Amit.
Okay, I have a question for Joy. Okay, as we know that in this generation, everybody wants to get relationship, and you can see the majority of them teenagers
Speak aloud.
they are in relations. So, what do you think? Is it going good or bad?
Like somewhere or the other it is good and somewhere or the other it is bad too, because the age of consent in India is 18 or 21 maybe, and but in if I talk about Western countries it is little less. So they are adapting Western culture, and because of that they are getting into a relationship, but they do not have any future together, and that relationship is not going anywhere. They can do for their enjoyment, like for after when they will grow up and they will think like I had a girlfriend, this was my girlfriend. They have memories to tell. So I think it is okay, not too good, not too bad.
Next.
The question is for Shiv and Om. Kind of. As you both are good English speakers, so do you get jealous of each other? And the impact of jealous, it is good. Okay, he is better than me, so I will be more better than him, or in a bad impact. No, why he is better than me? I will beat him. I will tell him like that.
First of all, I don't consider him as my competitor because yesterday we saw his knowledge and Virat Kohli is from Mangolpuri, Virat Kohli is from Sultanpuri. If he has this kind of the knowledge, then again he will get defeated by me in the second round, like Eagle one. And that's why I don't consider him as my competitor because he is just like a newborn baby in front of a young man.
Oh, okay. I don't get jealous from him because as he told that I have nothing, so I have so many points as well as I have also too much knowledge. If he comes in front of me, I can easily defeat him as well as why would I get jealous because I can defeat him easily. Yes.
Dream.
Next. Bhavna.
Okay. So I have question for you, Charanjit Bhaiya. Okay. So from your vantage point, you have to just tell that who is elitist person at this in this batch. Elitist means a person who thinks that he knows everything, but in reality he is not over smart at all.
I believe somewhere or other it can be Om. Because he thinks like that, or somewhere or other he also knows that he does not know it. He does not know, but still he tries to support his own point, which is a good thing. But when somebody asks him, just like Abdul asked him last time, that what was the question? That who has become the IAS and IPS from by using the AI, so he got trapped over there. So these are the things just because of that I feel like that Om feels like, and same thing for Shiv too, because they share the same blood.
Nikhil.
So I have a question for Amit. As we know, Devgupta is breaking slums area but they don't have their own house. So should they break or no?
I don't think so. They are only breaking slums area. They are going everywhere wherever the court has ordered them to break. It's not about the Rekha Gupta. It's about the court, because they are giving them, you can say, permission to break this kind of slum area, this kind of home at all. So they are doing that, and somewhere I feel that it is good, because after some time they will do some construction work there. They will build some kind of buildings at all, which is good for our country, because we can't be live in slum area for a long period of time, because somewhere we need to develop, and for development we need to sacrifice something. So this is a sacrifice. Maybe after some time we will get to know big and, you can say, classy type of metro city in Delhi.
So don't they think that they should provide their own house to them?
No, it is impossible to provide them the own house. They can compensate them, but they can't provide them own house because we don't have much place. If we provide them, so we need to do deforestation, which is not good.
Lovely.
Okay, I have a question for Sam sir. Stand up.
As far as we all know, he has become a teacher. So tell the benefits of being a teacher.
Benefit.
Yes, benefits.
First of all, yeah, that makes you mature. Second thing, like it tells about like you will have to be a reluctant kind of person. Whether you want or not, you will have to work, and that makes you disciplined person. And I think that is the main thing that inspires me. And one more thing, there is a different kind of vibe when I get like whenever I see result in student whoever keep asking me, sir, how can I do that? And when they do, then I feel very good. Even I can't express. And there are so many students, they always wish, so it gives me pleasure even, so it motivates me to do different kind of thing. And at night, like some people, they think about like what should I do, where should I go for wandering, but I always think what should I get done different from them, so through that they can learn in fun way. And I always try to be friendly with them, and I will always think about like what should be the next and how can they have fun while studying. That is.
Okay. Jatin and Abhika.
Sir, I have a question for you. So, when did you when you thought that you have to be a teacher?
Actually, I have never decided to become a teacher. Destiny made me a teacher because somebody challenged me that this kind of a man, a boy cannot teach. My teacher wanted to make me a teacher. I wanted to become an actor, and I don't know what happened that time. You know, my father, he lost his job. My teacher forced me to become a teacher. That time I thought, okay, let's start. I was just teaching with fun, okay. And I don't know what happened when it was my first birthday. Because of that, when students celebrated my birthday, I decided that yes, I should become a teacher, because when you become a teacher, you get a lot of respect. In fact, students' parents, they also respect you. So somewhere or the other, now you can see that I'm just 22, and most of the parents, they respect me. There are so many haters, there are so many lovers. So you can imagine that it's not easy to have a lot of lovers and haters at the age of 22. So I feel that yes, we should become a teacher, and that day I decided I should become, and I feel that nowadays, yes, it was the right decision. Nikhil. Abhika, then Nikhil.
So I have two questions. First is for Chandrasekhar. So what are the difference between a rich man or a common man? Like what they think? What are their thoughts?
The common difference between a rich man and a common man, it is of money. A rich man has lots of money, but the normal man, it has that much amount of money on the basis of which he can survive. But if I talk about a rich man lives lots of his life in the isolation, in the busyness. But if I talk about the normal man, so he lives lots of the majority of the part of his life with the family, with the society. But once you become a rich man, so you live most of your life in the isolation. You are not connected to the society, with the people, because if you are rich, so you will have to mind your own business. So these are the things, these are the kind of mindsets come in the mind of a rich man. But if I talk about common people, so I believe being a common man is much better than a rich man, because rich men, they have everything except people. They are that much rich that they only have money. So it is not right.
And second is for Oscar sir. Okay, so you are like Bihari. So I want to ask. Why are you laughing, guys? Okay, so what like being a Bihari, what are the advantages of that? Like, what is the good thing in your religion? Culture, yeah.
Actually, first of all, whenever people call anyone Bihari, so I feel that yeah, it's really a proud moment for me, because people take Bihari lightly, but Bihari is ruling in India and all over the world. Okay, so you can't take Bihari as a normal guy, because the person who created zero was from Aryabhatta, so he was also from Bihar. Education also came from Bihar. Okay, the first university, okay, it is in Bihar. Okay, Chanakya, he was from Bihar. In fact, Lord Shri Krishna, he was from Bihar. Mata Sita was from Bihar. So there are so many things. In fact, I can't make you count. So I feel that because of Bihar, there is India. Because of Bihar, there is Delhi. Because of Bihar, there is Kolkata. Are you getting? Now these all are cities because of Bihar. Because the East India Company decided, okay, in Bihar first. But I feel that okay, Bihar left all the opportunities because Bihar wanted to give them chance. Bihar has a own power; they can do anything, and of course, I feel proud because we celebrate Chhat Puja, and my mother she keeps fast, and this is the most toughest fast in the world,
Yes.
which there is no like in any religion.
Yeah.
So of course, I feel proud to be a Bihari, and yes, I am Bihari.
I have a question for who can answer my question that is dictatorship good or bad? Gana Shahi.
Amit Singh.
Okay, so if I talk about dictatorship, definitely it is not good because where people are not happy in dictatorship. As we take an example of North Korea, they impose everything on the people. Even the people they don't have that much right, they can go against of their government. So living in dictatorship, definitely it is not good for people, and definitely after some time the dictatorship also get demolished. When people are in huge amount of, you can say, and they can't bear you for long period of time, so that's why dictatorship is a temporary also. That's why it is not good.
Manvi.
So my question is for Joy because I think so that you are the most intelligent person in my book. So could you tell me that which matters the most, motivation or discipline? People say that discipline matters the most. So I want to know your perspective.
I think like they both are not contradictory. They both, if you are disciplined, so definitely you will have your self motivation if you work in discipline. So well, motivation is not permanent, it is temporary. Once you get, like today you get motivated, after 1 or 2 hours you will feel low and you will feel like not working. But discipline is permanent and it is consistent. If you are a disciplined person, like if you are disciplined, it means you are consistent, and consistency is the key to success. I have a question.
Ask.
Okay, so I have a question for Charanjit. So, what are your thoughts on one and only Trump? Like, we have seen whenever he is in power, he does every possible thing to like be in spotlight. He want to create chaos and enjoy. So, what are your opinions on it?
If I talk about Donald Trump, so he's a freak. I have told so many times whenever that his name is mentioned because he's a very good businessman. And in America, you can talk about money, but in India you can't. So he just talks about money. And second thing, if I talk about, yes, it is of course right that he just wants to come in the spotlight by creating the chaos in the America, in all around the world, see such kind of things, because he just wants to show that America is the one of the powerful, country all around the world, and he is the president of that powerful country. So whole globe is in his hand. So just because of that, he just just to bring instability all around the world, and that's why I don't like. And it is not good for the country like America too. That's why many of the people, they are protesting against him. They are raising their voice against him, and you will see that in few years a kind of protest on some of the activities will be run against him. Maybe his position is also in the danger.
How Putin is different from him?
Putin
He is also a president of a very powerful country.
He is kind of a dictator in a country like Russia, but somewhere or other his action is not that much danger and chaotic for a country like Russia.
Yeah.
He does whatever he wants to do, but he's not like he's Trump. Like, he does not flaunt. He does whatever is good for him and whatever is good for Russia and whatever can help Russia to win against America. So these both personalities are not same. These are different in my opinion.
Naman. I have a question for Lovely. As in your school, you are a leader of march past, maybe, huh?
Yeah.
So what we have to do? I only think one that we have to walk in a line. What happens in this?
Marching. Okay. Marching seems like you have to do parade. When any guest comes, so you have to do that and salute that person, that they can be respected by you. So in the marching, there are different types of you can say things to do. I cannot explain you right now because it has to be done by the hands and from your leg. But the main thing is that when they come, so you have to salute by that your school. It means that your school is respecting you. It doesn't mean only the group of people are respecting. It means that your school is standing by your on your hand. So we are the backbone of the school because we have to respect. So yes, of course, it is only the thing.
Next, Amit Singh.
So I have a question for you, sir. Like you have to take three top students' name and three least student names, and you have to give them pieces of advice for their self.
Top students, of course, Charanjit, Amit, lovely. Only advice
Least
that
also.
yeah, only advice that just keep working on your vocabularies because there are thousands of lakh of crores of vocabularies. So keep learning vocabularies. By that you can improve your English. And if I talk about least English speakers or least student of this academy, so of course Pogo, because she makes a lot of mistakes. She does not understand the question. She speaks whatever she wants. Okay, and Avika, Jatin, okay, and Nikhil, and that's it. Because they don't speak much. This is the problem, and I want them to speak. This is what
I have a question for you. You are to pick 5 names in this room, and you are to, if you get a chance to adapt 5 skills from them, yeah, plus any kind of a trait. So, what will be the trait, and who will be those 5%? Yeah.
5 students. Who can be? Okay. Amit Singh and Charanjit, of course, knowledge. Okay, because you both have a good knowledge, and I feel that students should have this kind of knowledge, because if everybody has this kind of knowledge, so anybody can speak in debate and they can counter easily. Either they have a tough topic, yet they can speak much. Okay, and if I talk about Lovely, so of course vocabulary she uses, which I really like, and her way of speaking. Okay, and if I the fourth one is Abdul. His personality I really like. I feel that in upcoming time he's going to be the next Justin Bieber. Because he's the friend of Suhan, and I used to call Suhan Smarty Boy because he was a very cute and smart boy ever. Because whenever he comes, he's a very smart. I feel that. So Abdul is also kind of this. So yes, I can't be like this, but I want a son or a duplicate of mine like this, because he can be smart. Okay, and Om and Shiv for speed, because their speed is mind blowing. I always remember my students' life. When I was a student, I used to speak like them. I know that this Om speaks whatever he wants. I was also kind of this, because that time I didn't have a knowledge, but now I have, so I speak. Okay, but if I talk about Om, so after some time, if he gets knowledge, he would be speaking, trust me, brilliant. So of course I like both of them, just for fluency and all. Okay, lovely.
Okay, I have a question for Pratigya. Stand up. As far as we all know, we all guys are the trio, and some of the students, we all are old students. Okay, we are done. We have completed here 4 years around, you can say. So as far as we all know, time has changed and batches have also changed. But prior we used to have enmity towards each other. We used to have revenges. I have to take revenge. So this has been written. So I will do that by on myself and by on my words. But now if I see that everyone is too much friendly and do not have competition towards each other, they have good bonding. Yes, it is good to have, but barrier we used to have yes, she had grudges towards speaking, because we used to have power to speak. We all know if it's about debate. So as far as we all know about the both guys debate, they used to have, they are real brothers, but still they used to have a debate that yes, we can salute them. So what's your opinion? Are they really good?
You know why they are not? Because they have set in their mind that we cannot win. We cannot defeat that person. They have said that who will win, that will be the person, and they deter themselves to speak. And especially in new batch this, they have very unity to watch each other, because they think that we speak normally as we all speak. That some of this he had grudges with Divyanshu, but he has gone now. So not like competition with him. competition with him. So now he has gone, so everybody is feel very lightly, and they even don't feel like to defeat a good person like Joy and Gausia and Abdul. There are most of the people, and I think they feel so normal. They don't have guts, and they don't have that. They do not have that thing that they can win. That's it.
Okay, Nikhil. So I have a question for Charanjit because he watches crickets. As I know, KKR has flunked out Mustafizur Rahman because of that one case in Bangladesh. So should they flunk out or not?
They should, and they did whatever they did. I believe it is right because nation comes first before any sport, before any person. So, in my opinion, the thing which is going on in the Bangladesh and Bangladesh is for just because of India. The birth of Bangladesh has happened because of the India, and if you turn your face from a country who helped you, which helped you to gain independence and all that, and if you just do such kind of activities against them, so you don't need any kind of involvement of us. You should not apply for the IPL for if you are doing such kind of activity, if you are not considering us as your neighbor country, so why are you sending your cricketer to earn money and to earn their bread and butter? Because IPL is a super league. It is one of the famous and one of the popular and rich league. That's why they send and they get bunch of the money from here. So if you can become mean, so we can also become mean.
Okay. Nikhil, last. I have second question for Deshu. Suppose you have ocean of money, but a single thing you can't purchase by the money. So what would it be?
If I have ocean of money but I can't purchase anything.
A single thing.
I can't purchase single thing. So what would be that?
But you can't purchase by the money.
I fetch I sell to Radhi.
He didn't get the question.
Okay, let it be.